place called DAR KIST, written by Baba Shuku Beh. Enter the realm of ancient secrets and forgotten wonders. DAR KIST, a world born from the imagination.
Mighty fine.
Thank you, handsome. You new around here?
Yeah, from the States. But now I see you closer there. We met last night, right?
Oh, yeah, we met last night.
Can I have your number?
Sure.
I'm glad I see you this morning. We soon reach. Just a few more minutes. All right, me arrive now. Give me a second to call her. Hello, darling. Me reach. How you doing?
Joseph.
Be glad we are talk, get to know each other.
Yes, Joseph. From the first chat, me know you're special.
And the hotel stay, so romantic. We have built something real here.
You know me love.
They went back to the hotel and made out. After that, she got dressed and they both got into the car and drove back to the DAR KIST.
You drive me wild, girl.
Hold on tight now.
On their way driving his SUV, he stopped to urinate on the roadside.
We soon come. One.
He was attacked and robbed by a few youths with knives and gun.
They took my money and billfold. They also took my SUV, leaving me and the big woman stranded on the street, walking towards DAR KIST.
Can you believe it?
Big woman, need a ride? Yeah, man, thanks. So, anywhere safe. Some hoodlums took my SUV and billfold. Take me to the police station, please. Even my driving license they took.
While they were in the taxi,
Take me to the police station, please. Even my driving license they took.
Oh, Lord, Joseph.
we soon reach.
Yes, driver, step on it.
While they were in the taxi, they pull up at the Good Green police station. They were greeted by Sergeant Kingsley Bryan. He took them in a room
Welcome. Please, come inside.
and took a statement and contact details. 2 days later, Joseph's phone rings while they are in the hotel room.
Mr. Wallace, your car and properties were recovered safely. 3 youths, Yub, Pang, and Redmouth, are in custody for the robbery.
Praise God.
Thank you.
So, who do you think robbed us?
I know Yuppang and Redmouth, but they wasn't the people whom rob us.
You sure about that?
Yes, man. I sure.
They went to pick up the car and their properties at the police station.
All right, let's go get the car.
Yes, Joseph. I hope everything is there.
It better be. I'm not coming back.
Joseph got back his black SUV and his driving license and his billfold.
Yes, man. Everything I already know.
Me glad for you, Joseph.
Thank you, me queen.
While driving back to his hotel with Zara in the passenger seat, Joseph was thinking in his head.
Since I met Zara, pure bad luck is following me.
As they pull up at the Zealand House Hotel, Zara's phone rings. Her son died, her house burned down, and 8 goats in her backyard just died.
What? What's my son dead?
Zara, you see this?
I tell you, the woman full of saltness. A pure cross is a follow Zara.
Look how many times I come to Jamaica and since I pick up this Mampial gunpoint on me.
When they got to Zara's home, the house burned down flat and the dead goats were in her backyard.
What's wrong, Zara? Talk to me.
I'm not sure if you would stay if I tell you the truth.
Zara, whatever it is, we'll face it together.
I have signed up with the Sisterhood, an organization called the Blunt Movement. They asked me for a gift. I decline. Now I have this to face. It is also affecting my tubby as well. That is why I look so pregnant. This will last for 2 years or longer.
How can we escape this kind of torture? Your son is dead, house burned down and your goats are dead. Hoodlums point gun at me. What next?
I have 70 million US dollars. We may have to call the priest. He may be able to appease the wrath.
70 million? We have to call the priest right now then.
Yes, Joseph, the priest will know what to do.
But he may request something from you.
Something like what?
Maybe one of your leg or a hand or maybe an eye from you. Well, in this something have to give.
Can I give you my toe? Will it be hurt or smooth?
To Joseph's surprise, a big red snake appeared and said,
Hello, Joseph. That will not be enough. I need your first son or a 23-year-old virgin girl.
No.
Joseph get up and start to walk fast. While he is walking, a woman appear in front of him, identical to Zara. Same body structure, same face, same clothes, everything the same as Zara.
He got into his black SUV and sped away. As he got to the house of Zealand Hotel, as he opened the door to his room, the woman identical to Zara was inside.
I thought I left you at your house. How did you get inside here? What in the world? A bear now? And now a cat? This can't be real.
I need your first son or a 23 years old virgin within 7 days.
What? You can't be serious.
Remember, nowhere to run or nowhere to hide. Do you love your life or do you want to join us at DAR KIST? The choice is yours.
What is this place? Who are you?
The choice is yours.
Joseph went to his bed and he was dreaming. He dreamed so many crazy things. They are so scary, very hard to explain. Demons and devils everywhere. At one point in his dream, spirits was making out with him.
Joseph woke from his sleep in the morning. He was scared from the dream. He decided to go and seek help.
I need an exorcist.
He found an exorcist and made an appointment.
Tomorrow at noon. Hello? I'm here for the appointment. Come in.
Tell me about your experiences with ghosts. I met and fell in love with a lady. From there, things take the wrong turn.
Joseph sat in the priest's office, sat down in a chair.
Hoodlums point gun on me. Her house was burned down. 8 goats died. Her son died. The woman in question, from time to time, she has been changing to different things. A cat, snake, etc. Now I am being haunted by ghosts. You have come in contact with a deadly syndicate. They will soon be asking for stuff such as body parts, etc. Have you signed up for DAR KIST?
No, I have not. They have been already. They are requesting my first son or a 23-year-old virgin.
Can you help me, please? The cat give me 7 days to bring the son or a virgin. I can't do that to the son. He is doing well in medical. I can help you, but it will cost you. Because of the nature of your situation, it will be a bit more expensive than the usual, plus your life is involved. How much will it cost me, sir?
Only 10,000 US. Pay now and I will start right away.
I will give you 11 grand now. I just need this thing to go ASAP. Can I pay you with card? Yes. Janice, please bring me the card reader machine. Took out his card. Janice, bring the card reader machine to the priest.
Right away, priest.
The priest gave him some things in a bag and a few stuffs in powder form and went with him to his hotel room.
Take this. Guard it well.
Yes, Father, I will.
Place it there.
Done what he's supposed to do. You could hear the ghost crying and weeping outside.
The time has come to fly back to America. I boarded the JetBlue, safe again from all evil.
Zara has gone back to DAR KIST. She never get the soul of Joseph. He escaped from her wrath and the destruction she came with.
Guys, just waiting to dip you out.
Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe.